Let's get you started with the social media post creator with the help of Smart Social module. Here is the option of post. You are going to create a post. You will see that there is an option of original draft. You can simply copy paste any of the caption that you want, and you can upload any visual from your own device that you have already created. Once it's uploaded, you can edit your post. For example, you want some other sizes or you want to edit it more. Once you are done, click Done button and your caption is generated. Your visual is uploaded, but what if you don't have any visual in your own library? Then you can simply create a design on Canva. By clicking here the button, you can add more emojis as much as you want. You can use these options. Also, one thing is missing in this post is hashtags. You can use our hashtag library, or you can create a personalized or customized hashtag with the help of our AI assistant. Simply what you have to do is to generate, and it will give you a lots of options. For example, see, I need this much hashtags in my post. What I have to do is simply copy and paste. Our post is ready almost. Now it's time to decide which platform I want to upload. For example, I want Instagram or Facebook. What you have to do, you can see the post preview. This is how our Facebook post will look like. This is how our Instagram post will look like. Now it's time to decide. Are you ready to post it right now, or you are going to save as draft, or you will see share right now? You can share right at that moment, share next, or you can schedule a post at a specific time that you want to post, or you can repeat the post. So this is how our social media post creator works, and it's simple and easy to use. Simply, you can use AI generator, or you can design your own designs on Canva. That's it. Our post is successfully posted right now with the help of our Smart Social module.